Welcome to the tour of our ocean view balcony room aboard Navigator of the Seas. The balcony stateroom is 198 square feet. And along the desk area, you'll find plenty of space for some items, along with a light switch and a couple of outlets. As I mentioned in a previous video, Royal Caribbean no longer allows non-surge protected plugins, but you are able to bring a multi-USB plugin. Along here, you'll find some shelving, and the safe is located here as well. And below that, you'll find your refrigerator, mini refrigerator. And I'm looking for the hair dryer as I open every drawer, and finally, here's the hair dryer. And the closet offers plenty of space for hanging, and there is also some shelving off to the side. And on the other side of the closet, you'll find the bathroom, which has a small shower with no shower curtain. The doors do slide into like a circular type shape, so you have a little bit more space when showering. With the bed configuration, you can either have two twins or the way we have it set up here. One thing that we noticed is that there is no outlets next to the bed. The balcony is 42 square feet, and we thought it was pretty nice to have a balcony to step out onto. Hope you enjoyed the tour of Navigator of the Seas balcony stateroom. We really enjoyed this room, and I think you will too. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching.